My name is Abhishek Rai. I work for PMC Cloud Lifecycle Management product. Today I'm going to talk about how you can enable AR system objects list for smooth navigation through cloud, forms and applications. The plan is to enable cloud users and admins to easily navigate through cloud forms and applications, expediting the troubleshooting process, verify relationships and data of configuration items, create and modify configuration items. Once you're done with the configurations, you'll be able to understand how data gets processed at the backend, because you will have an opportunity not only to review a specific class, but you can also be able to review the other configuration item associated with a particular class. You'll also be able to review various classes and their relationship at the backend. This will also help you reducing the time to resolve a particular problem, because with this configuration, you'll be able to review the relationship of a particular class. You'll be able to identify a problem just in case there is a missing relationship with a class or there is a data corruption at the backend. Here are the list of activities which we will be performing during the demo. Let's quickly move and take a look at the configurations on the browser itself. Let's log in to the BMC Remedy mid-tier configuration tool. So I have already opened the console. Let's fill up the password and click on login. Switch to the AR server settings and make sure that a server, the Remedy server, is already configured over here. Once that is done, switch to the general settings. You'll have to make sure that home page server is pointing to a server which is configured under AR server settings. Once that is done, click on enable object list and click on save changes. Once that is done, you would like to switch to the BMC Remedy Developer Studio and connect to the home page server. In this case, it's a Remedy server. Once that is done, you would like to connect to your Remedy server on which you have got your mid-tier installed and switch to this directory. So it's installation directory, BMC software, AR system, mid-tier and samples. Under that, you'll be able to see AR system mid-tier object list .dev file. These are the definition files, and you can see that there are other dev file as well under the same directory, and these are specific to a locale. So if we are looking for a specific locale file, you can identify a file from here and select that for importing into BMC Remedy Developer Studio. So I'll switch back to the Developer Studio, click on File, Import, Object Definition, click Next, and then select the file. So I have already copied that file from a server to my local machine. So here is a file, select that, open it, next. This will give you various list which is going to get imported. These are the active links. You can click on replace objects on the destination server and then click finish. I'm not going to click on finish because I have already imported this definition file. I'll click cancel. Once that is done, you will like to clear the mid-tier cache. You can switch back to mid-tier configuration tool and switch to cache setting. You can click on flush cache to flush the cache. I have already done that, so I'm not going to click it again. Once that is done, you would like to copy this section and put it in a browser /form. So there are various ways you can open AR object list. This is one of the form. This is one of the way. Let's click on that and you'll have a AR system object list display form open over here. There are a couple of sections in this form which I would like to talk about. The first is show hidden. This button will only be enabled in case you have logged in using a demo user or AR admin users or any admin users. Then only this button will be enabled. For end users, this button won't be enabled. So let's click on that. This will list the hidden forms which will only be available to admin. Okay, let's try to search a particular form. So I'm going to search computer system form over here, and when you click on search or hit enter, it will list the forms associated or have a keyword computer system in it. So these are the list of forms which has computer system as a keyword in their name. This columns is about servers. Just in case you have got multiple servers, you will have a server specific form listed over here. Just in case you would like to list forms from a specific server, you can have a server name over here. This will help you to filter it out. Then type will help you to identify whether it's a form or it's an application. So I've got this computer system form, and let's select that. Once selected, there are two options. One is open new. This will help you to open this form in edit mode. so that you can create a new configuration item in it. The second one is called open search. This will open this form in a search mode. Let's click on that. Okay, so this will open a form in a search mode. Here you got search button, new search, new request, and again from here you can create a new configuration item as well. Then you have got searches, my report, advanced search, clear, set to defaults, logout, help, and home. So let's search something over here. I'm going to use mark as deleted no, and then we'll click on search button. This will give me the active records in the configuration in this class. So this is my access switch, and just in case you would like to take a look at the view relationship, you can click on this, and this will show you the relationship of access switch configuration item. And from here you can see what all are the relationship associated, or what all are the configuration items associated to this CI. And then further, if you would like to troubleshoot or review configuration items, you can select a particular one and then click on view related CI. Here are the other ways you can open AR system objects. So we just use the first one, but there are a few others with which you can open AR system object list. So it's called AR sys forms server name for a specific server, so that it will already filter it out your forms. AR sys apps, app server name, application name. I hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching this.